Good morning. Ellen's in Shanghai. Gonna go work out. I haven't worked out. Got hot foods too. How do you get yams? Where was the yams? We're heading to the boutique store streets in Shanghai, but it's Xinlelu. There's Changlelu. There's Fuxinglu, I think. But yeah, we're gonna go around the area to check out the stores. We haven't been in a very long time. He hasn't been in a very long time. And let's go shopping. I like this one. This is mommy. I think I'm getting this. It's cute. I want to wear it over a white tee and jeans. Cute combo. Blossom Beige. The name is Blossom Beige. It's actually pretty for the house. Oh, you need to get a Vancouver one.
What?
It's Stussy. Really refreshing. You want some?
No thanks.
Seriously, you should drink some. I like that one. Hope they can have your size. I don't understand Supreme. They're like right behind me. We're in this other store and literally it's like night and day. They always act like assholes for no reason.
It's like that all over the world.
True.
All their stores.
But in the end, my
like,
thing is
like Bottega.
but in the end, you're just a salesperson, and if you want people to spend money, don't be an asshole. Same store. It's an interesting vintage store. Setup.
That's Baker.
Is that Baker?
That's Baker.
I see. Calling him Baker. Hi, babies.
Is that the mom?
I don't know. A little bit. 哎呦，要爬树了。I think he's about to climb that tree, no?
Hello， 你好，你好，你好。
女儿很可爱。皇帝啊，
嗨。
Hi. I'm like, and Pop-Mart again. We're gonna look at all this stuff. What is this? Let's see. Oh, this is a head. Trying to see if I can find something rare.
You want to rock like who?
It's a little bookstore, stationery store, little things. What do you want to get?
但不是猫，是老虎。
没有，没想。谢谢。
Very tasty.
Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? It's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. They just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower.
Oh my
I remember what you were saying.
好可爱。谢谢。哦，你可以放，谢谢。没事。不好意思，放位置拿。谢谢。好，谢谢啊，这个先还你。
The flower blocking you?
A little bit. 都哭当疼了。The flower's blocking me. 嘿嘿。Hang on. 哎呀，你可以这样。
你吃完模仿一个美国白人。Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I don't do that. I don't over exaggerate. That's not my style.
You want the hot jam and jam on it. That's the plug.
It is pretty though. It matches the flowers. 你这个叫什么？
玉白菜。
玉白菜。Jade white. What is 白菜? What is 白菜 in English?
白菜。
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Cabbage? Okay, jade cabbage is called. That was just a literal translation called jade cabbage. Apparently, that it's a cold brew. 好喝吗？一般般。
就冰拿铁。
冰拿 Okay, so it just tastes like a latte.
They just keep on getting